Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. And please try to update me how your preparation is going on for the SBI PO and IBPS PO examination. So as you all said that I should share my to-do list once a week. So here I am, and this is my today's to-do list. Today is 23rd of October. So first of all, I will try to cover the current affairs, and right now I am at 5th of October. So the thing happened is that after SBI JA mains examination, I just could not cope up with the current affairs as I was busy some other examinations. So now I will try to cover the previous current affairs. Okay, and for the current affairs I am using AffairsCloud because it is good for current affairs, and I am following the detailed PDF on daily basis. After that I will try to cover the detailed like revision of the detailed PDF by the end of the week. Okay, so this is the thing which we can do right now, and reading the detailed PDF takes around 40 to 45 minutes. So we should cover the current affairs in detail, and if you are planning to buy AffairsCloud subscription, then you can use my code also. It will be given in the description, and by using my code you will get 10% discount also. Then I will read the editorial plus vocabulary because it is very important to read the editorial plus vocab, and I will try to solve some pre-level questions also. And if you are unable to find the prelims level questions, then I will give you a PDF in the description. This PDF is for free, so you can go and check out that PDF. It is for free, and in this PDF English practice questions of prelims level are given. Okay, then I will analyze SBI PO mains mock test because yesterday I attempted this SBI PO mains mock test, and right now I am attempting 2020 mocks because 2021 are not updated yet. So I am trying to cover 2020 mock test, and yesterday I attempted. So today I will analyze it, and I will try to solve each and every question of the mains mock test. Then there is DI class plus 3 data interpretation practice of mains level because it is also important, as in the PO mains examination mostly DIs are there, like all the DIs are there. There is no arithmetic question, so we should focus on mains level DIs. Then there is solve module 1 quant. So for this I am following Ashish Aroda sir's modules to solve the arithmetic questions only. Then there is banking awareness because we should complete the banking awareness right now, as we will not get the time after the result of prelims examination. Then there is read one essay and one application. I am trying to cover the essay and application now. Okay, as it will help in the descriptive section. Then there is revised current affairs, previous year reasoning analysis, like reasoning questions analysis of PO mains paper. Then there is one prelims mock test, and for the prelims mock test, if you are unable to buy anything, then Guidely is providing first six mock test free of SBI PO mock test and IBPS clerk mock test. So you will find the first 6 mock test for free. It is completely free, you don't have to pay anything. You can just go and attempt the mock test. So you are getting total 12 mock test of prelims for free. I will give you the link of that also in the description of this free mock test. Okay, so this is for today, and I hope I can complete it. And tell me how your preparation is going on for the PO, SBI PO and IBPS PO, and what difficulties you are facing in the preparation. So that is all for this video. Have a great day ahead, and thank you.